Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Friends, welcome to the solution of standard 6th સાયન્સ પેપર. ઓકે ફ્રેન્ડ્સ, તો આ પેપરમાં આપણે જોઈશું કે આ પેપરનું આપણે સંપૂર્ણ સોલ્યુશન જોઈશું. ઓકે, તો ફ્રેન્ડ્સ, આઈ વિલ બી ગિવિંગ ઓલ ધ આન્સર્સ. તો ફર્સ્ટ ઓફ ઓલ, ઇફ યુ આર ન્યૂ ટુ માય ચેનલ, please subscribe my channel and share this video with all your school friends. Okay friends, and give a like and comment how was the video. Okay friends, so standard 6 science subject. Choose the correct option from the given options. Okay, so now what is shown in given figure? What is shown in given figure? So we can understand the answer is option B, ginning of cotton. Okay, ginning of cotton. Now, on the basis of which characteristics jute is considered as natural fiber? Jute is considered now as it is obtained from plants. It is obtained from plants. Okay, now which of the following characteristic is most useful for flower identification? So answer is option D. Okay, corolla. Okay, dalpatra is found in it. Okay, so this is the answer. Now we will see answer in brief. Okay, write the name of two flowers which has joined. Okay friends, I will be taking you to the PDF and I will give you all the answers of this. Okay, what is P, what is S, what is T, what is R? Okay, classify the following animals into carnivorous, herbivorous and omnivorous. This is the paper which I am going to give you the solution. Okay friends, હું તમને PDF સેક્શન પર લઈ જઈ રહ્યો છું. Okay, everything. Okay, now we will go to PDF section. Okay, we will go to the PDF section. Okay friends, so this is the answer here. Okay, option is a ginning from cotton. Okay, and here option B is it is obtained from plants. FROM, from plants. Okay, PLANTS. Okay, let's go further. Now answer in brief. Name the two flowers which has joint sepals are cotton and hibiscus. Okay, so answer you can see cotton and hibiscus. Okay, name the name of two flowers which has a separate sepal are rose and lotus. Answer is rose and lotus. Okay, children are wearing woolen clothes in winter season. Which clothes are children wearing? So children are wearing woolen clothes in winter season. Okay, let us see answer 3. Clothes today are made from a wide range of different materials. Traditional materials such as cotton, lines and leather. Okay, LEATHER, leather are still okay sourced from plants. Okay, sourced from plants and animals, but most clothes are more likely to be made of material and chemicals derived from fossil fuel based on crude oil. Choose the correct option from the given alternative. Okay, in answer 1 is C, plants and animals. In answer 2 is option B, and in answer 3 is answer number C, solubility of the substance. Okay, in which of the given figure P refers which process? Okay, identify and mention. P is melting point. Okay, P is melting, T is vaporization, okay, T is vaporization, and R is liquefaction, LIQUEFACTION, and S is freezing. Okay, and S is freezing. Okay, classify the following animals into carnivore, herbivorous. Let us see herbivorous and carnivorous, and here is omnivorous. Okay, herbivorous buffalo, deer and panther. Carnivorous tiger, lion, and is omnivorous. Okay, here it is not written but it is omnivorous. Okay, so this is omnivorous, OMNI, you can write down omnivorous. Okay, now choose the correct option from the given below alternatives. Okay, answer 1 is D, all the above 3, and C, and in second answer is C, jute. Answer the following question. Protein is tested by BIURET test. Taproot and fibrous root. Taproot is one, fibrous root is a root that consists of group of roots of similar size and length. Is one main root that grows straight down deep into the soil. Okay, now in question number 3, A is iron and B is protein and calcium. Okay, answer the following question in brief. Number 1 is cabbage and cauliflower. Answer 2, because fruits contain more dietary fiber than fruit juice. Okay, because it is hinge joint, because it is a hinge joint, because heat make iron soft, because heat make iron soft. It will become hard due to water. It will become hard due to water. Choose the correct option from the given alternatives. B and A. In answer number 1 is B and A. Do you think not eating balanced diet can lead to various diseases? Because balanced diet gives nutrition in proper amount from all food groups. Okay, this is the answer. Now, the salt cannot be dissolved when the solution is saturated. Okay, answer number 2. Let us see answer the following. The fibers are converted into yarns. The fibers are converted into yarns. Hold some cotton wool in one hand, pinch some cotton between the thumb and the refining for refining of the other hand. Now gently start pulling out the cotton while continuously twisting the fiber. This process of making yarn from fiber is called spinning. Okay, snake's body makes many loops and each loop give it this push. A snake moves forward very fast and not in a straight line. Forward very fast. Okay. The stem conducts water from the root to the leaves and food from the leaves to other plants of the plant. The part of the leaf by which it is attached to the stem is called petiole. The broad green part of the leaf is called lamella. Now we can see the protein is tested by Beirut. Okay, and this taproot fibrous. Okay, example is given here. This we have seen. Okay, not eating balance. Okay, this we have seen. Okay, the fiber is converted into yarns also we can see, we have seen this, we have seen the answer. Okay, now describe the experiment to prove that plant leaf has starch. Draw a label diagram. Okay, draw a simple diagram of flower. You have to draw this flower diagram. Okay, filtration process by using filter paper. Here you have to draw the body parts. You can draw body parts according to the question. Okay, then we do farming. Okay, we do farming. We have to do farming. Make everyone aware that farming is very important. Only then each and every person in our country will get food. Winnowing. Second is answer winnowing. The farmer does not have fan. If the farmer does not have fan, so they will do threshing with the help of bullocks. Okay. Now answer B is to separate the large substance is hand picking. To separate the grains from the stalk is threshing. To separate the components of mixture is winnowing. To remove impurities like husk from flour is sieving. If the food is left over, I will give it to animal or store it in freeze if it can be stored. I will warn, okay, WORN, warn, WORN, my friend not to taste because it can be dangerous and lead to teeth problems. We prefer variety of dishes. The reason is that we don't like the same taste each day, and all different types of dishes have different types of taste. Okay, question number 11 is here. True or false? False, true, false, 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 true to false. Thank you friends. If you have liked my video, please share this video with all your friends and subscribe my channel.